Okay, no worries. I'll just stay here.
I'm a one-handed because I've already hurt this hand, so
take it easy. Be careful.
a bit of a drama today. Oh my god!
What's up?
Oh my god! I think I've cut my hand, Steve.
Let's have a look.
No, I'm just going to put it underwater.
Yeah, just give it a quick wash. Hang on a sec. That's quite a nasty cut, that. Let's see what I've got. I've got this tea towel here.
No, I'll just keep running it. I'll just keep it underwater. It'll be fine. I'm sure it'll be fine if I just keep flashing the water on it.
Right, that's looking quite. There's quite a lot of blood coming out of there.
Yeah, but
Right.
it's alright. That's what you've got to do, haven't you? Just flush it.
No. It's okay to flush it quickly, but if the blood keeps coming, we need to put pressure on the wound to stop the blood coming out.
What do you want me to do?
Right, just put on top of it. That's all right. Can you? If I give you this tea towel for now, can you close your hand round it and put pressure on as much as you can? I'm going to nip away and get the first aid kit.
Steve.
Okay,
do you need to look at it? Do you think you should look at it?
No, just push really hard on it. I'm just going to go and grab a first aid kit. It's round the corner.
Oh my god, I've already got one injury on one hand and now it's the other hand as well.
I know, that's all right. We'll get it sorted. Right, here we go.
I think it's dripping, Steve.
Okay, let's have a look. Keep the pressure on. Can you close your fist around it really tight?
How long do I have to do this for?
As long as you can. Keep putting pressure on it as long as you need to. Okay?
Should we not look at it?
Yeah, I'm going to have a quick look at it now. Just get everything ready. Let's have a quick look. Okay, yeah, take it away. Yeah, you've got a big slice up your palm of your hand. Alright, so it's not too bad.
Do we need to go to hospital straight away?
Well, not straight away. Let's get done first. Let's have a look. There's quite a lot of blood coming out. What I want you to do, can you close yourself around there? So what I've done is I've got that dressing there and put pressure on. If you can keep your fist closed,
yeah.
Can you put your thumb out for me there?
Yeah.
Okay, it's not going to work with your nails, but that's all right. I'm going to keep your thumb out because then I can, where your nails are, I can do a thing called capillary refill where I can squeeze your nail, make sure the blood's coming.
And what does that mean?
Well, capillary refill is when the blood comes down the arm all the way to the end of the extremity of your thumb. Now, if I leave your thumb out by pressing your nail, I can get to see if the blood's coming. Because if the blood's not coming down, then you know the blood's not getting to the extremity there. Okay, so I'll leave that like that. Yeah, you're right for now.
I'm going to be okay.
I'm going to chill. I want to sit you down in a minute. What I'm going to do now, luckily enough, I've got this other dressing. You're not feeling too good.
I'm not feeling too good.
Let's get a chair.
Okay. I'm a bit shaky.
Yeah, let's get a chair. Let me wait there a second. I'm going to grab a chair. Chair, yeah. So you feel a bit lightheaded, do you?
I don't feel great, Steve.
Okay, right. If you feel any worse, just tell me. You sit down for now. Okay, keep that tight on there. What I'm going to do now, make sure there, I'm just going to put this dressing around it.
Okay.
I'm going to put it around the whole fist, because then it will keep pressure on it.
Okay.
There we go, so it goes around there a bit. There we are.
Will I need stitches?
I don't know, but you may do, but the hospital do it. If they need to do it, they'll put stitches on it.
Haven't you got some of those sticky ones you could put on it?
Well, they're okay, the sticky ones. You're talking about a thing called steri strips. They're okay, but they're not brilliant. And if you don't put them on right, they can not work properly all the time. So
is this not going to cut off my blood supply, Steve?
Well, that's why your thumb's out.
Okay.
I've got to do it tight to keep pressure on it. You can see I've got the pad inside the fist, and I've got the other dressing around the outside, holding the fist together. So that keeps all the pressure together on it. Yeah.
Should I hold it up?
If you can elevate it, which is good. But of course, you might get tired. You could put a sling on, but it seems like a lot. But you could put a sling on like that. Yeah.
Like that.
If you can hold it with your hand, is good. Or if you've got a jumper or something, you can put a jumper over and pull it over and hold the jumper up.
You have a sling like that as well.
You can have one like that. You can have a sling up. That's quite good. That's called an elevated sling. If you know how to put it on. Okay. I think what we will do though, I don't think you need an ambulance with that at the moment, but I think I might take you to hospital for the A&E for the emergency so they can have a look at it. Okay. Happy with that?
Yeah.
Good stuff. Right. Happy to go in the car?
Yeah.
Let's go in the car and we'll get you to hospital.
Okay.